Spreadsheets break the moment your business starts growing. This is KavanaStock. So we've built KavanaStock specifically for handmade sellers that sell on Etsy, physical markets, or Shopify and places like that. So in previous tutorials, we went through the dashboard and how to use this Mac as reordered. You can make the layout whatever you want as well. We also went through materials. We went through how to add a material over here, and we went through what the materials look like, and also we went through the reports. Then we've also made a tutorial on products, how to tie materials to products. Like you can see, it uses a specific material. How to restock, how to view the product analytics, and also how to add a product. And then we've also went through sales in the tutorial one after that. We went through how to read the reports for sales, how much percentage of the revenue each product is has, and then we've explained the sales table. So in this tutorial, we will go through activity updates, what they are, and we'll go through your shop page, so your profile, right? So over here you've got your activity. So like it says, it tracks everything that happens in your shop, just because some people might want to view that. So this week it basically tells you if you've deleted a material, if you've sold something, if you've restocked, if you changed the quantity, holo stock increased by 1, increased by 1 again. We've sold 15 of this sticker, and essentially it's what it says. It's an activity page, really. And then we've got your shop. So we'll go through how to edit your shop and what this page is. So first of all, we've got your shop snapshot. This should be your shop name. My one is KavanaStock. It tells you how many products you've got in total, the value of those products, how many materials you've got, value of those materials, how many low stock items you've got, currently 0, what plan you're on, and your hourly rate that you can set yourself. And then it has a little kind of snapshot of when you joined, and your name, your avatar that you can set yourself as well, and your shop description. And then it has quick actions as well. So if you ever are on this page and you go, oh wow, I really need to add a material, actually, you can add a material, add products, manage your plan, or view reports. And then this tells you what plan you're on. So we've got a free plan, we've got a pro, and a premium plan. So premium is the highest. So currently I am getting the full Kavana experience, and I can enjoy every feature that Kavana has to offer. You can cancel your subscription at any time, and you can manage your plan over here as well. So now to edit your shop, you just click on the edit profile button, and then you can set your shop name. You can change your avatar, so you can upload your own. You can select what shop category you are. So you've got art, crafts, stickers, digital, and other. If you've got any suggestions, like I say, you just click request a feature over here, and this will be sent right through to our team, and we will take care of that, and we will incorporate that feature if we think it's good to add. And then you've got your bio. So this is my bio. So you can set all of this as absolutely whatever you want. You can change your hourly rate. Currently this one is at £3, and you can just save changes, and now it updated here. So this is my bio. We went through the activity updates, and we'll also just quickly go through settings. So currently you can obviously have a look at your terms and conditions, privacy policy, and GDPR to see what we process and what we store. And you can also change your currency. Currently, we only support 3 currencies. If you've got suggestions to support more, then, like I say, click this button, send us an email, and we will add more currencies. But currently, if you, for example, work in dollars, then you just need to save changes right here. And if you go back to your dashboard, everything will be displayed in dollars. And again, if you work in euros, change it to euros, save changes, and everything will be displayed in euros. So the currency is not a problem, it's changeable at the moment, so that's okay. But yeah, this is KavanaStock and was made specifically for people that are very sick and tired of spreadsheets, and the spreadsheets are breaking, and they're trying to scale, but the spreadsheets are not keeping up. So I would highly recommend that you look for the last few videos and you sign up to KavanaStock, and you have a lovely rest of your day.